Hi guys, I wanted to make a video about just some RA training, just the way that the RA training and this position has been. So I just wanted to bring you guys along for some of the training, some of the bulletin board making, just the behind the scenes. So I just want to start this video here and I'll just show you guys some interesting things about our journey. I ended up changing, so this is my outfit now because I want to work out after. Let's go to training. So here is my RA box. We got some door decks to put on people's doors. So I got all my residents there, and then we got some posters I need to hang up. So I was gonna take you guys with me, but this just comes with a bunch of stuff we need. So they gave us a RA box. So behind the scenes, I'm gonna try to design my door deck, like the name tags that go on the doors, on Canva. So I'll update you guys, and then I'm gonna print it out and put them on my people's doors. I'm so excited, so hopefully it goes okay. This is my friend Claire's door deck. She's doing like a little Indiana, what is it called? License plate. Cute. What are you working on?
Working on my bulletin board.
So am I. That's crazy. I just created these on Notability, and these are going to be what I put on people's doors. So I made a bunch of gender neutral colors. Yeah, and then we're going to go to our RA resource room. So that was an epic fail tonight. We couldn't get into any buildings because they were locked, so we didn't get to print. So I will record another time when we are working on our bulletin boards, or some of tomorrow at training. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a American Eagle shirt with my hiiiii shorts and my slip-on Adidas shoes. So I am very excited. I don't know how much I'll vlog today, but just wanted to bring you guys along in case anything happens. Just have to be there. Hi, so I'm done with training. I got some borders and some paper for my board, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. So today we're going to Target and Dunkin' and somewhere else, I think Aldi's, and this is the fit for the day. I'm going with my friend Claire and Charlie, and it's the weekend, so we don't have training today. So I'll show you guys a little vlog of what we get. We're getting stuff for our bulletin boards and just like other stuff, so I'm gonna take you guys along. Here's Claire's door decks. They're super cute. We're gonna have a cutting party later on. Okay, here's what I got. So I brought my water. We'll put this over here. My room is literally a mess right now. Got some Dunkin'. I got some micellar water because I don't want to use wipes as much, so I got that. And then got some of these bananas, these Celsiuses. Got this apple one too. And then I got some skinny dipped almonds. And then I got this $2 tub for whenever my dishes are dirty and I can carry it to the bathroom since I don't have a bathroom in my room. Then I got some black masks for class and stuff since the mandate is back. I got a bunch of Smart Sweet candy. I got some of this to make smoothies, some bagel thins, everything bagels, skinnies, some granola bars, and some sponges for cleaning. Also got some more shampoo. And now we're gonna go work on our bulletin boards. Oh, it's so creepy at night with all these rooms empty. I swear I hear people running around and knocking on doors. So Claire and I are going to go eat at Forest, which is the only dining hall that's open. So we're gonna go eat there, and then we're gonna go back and work on my bulletin boards and finish hanging up all the RA's door decks.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. So I'm about to put my residents' names on their doors because they're moving in, some of them are moving in early. And I really like whenever my name is on something, it makes it feel a little bit more homey and like people are expecting you and that you feel more at home. So I'm gonna put everybody's names up today so that all the early arrivals feel like at home. So I'm gonna go put them up, and you guys saw the coffee cups. I'll go ahead and show you guys one, but I'll cover up the name. It's a little coffee cup with their name on it, so that's what they look like. I'm gonna go hang them up and then probably be done for the night unless I work on my board more. So if I work on my board, I'll show you guys that later. If not, I'll just move on to another day. Before I go to bed, I wanted to show you guys. Oh my gosh, I almost just locked myself out. Literally, that could have been the worst thing that happened ever. I don't have any shoes on. So I put this up for whenever my residents come. Welcome to my flat. So that's the last thing I wanted to show you guys tonight. I will probably be doing more tomorrow. So also I wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the support on my last video. I love that so many of you guys are watching it and commenting. So I'm gonna comment back to some of you guys. But I'm so happy that I could make a good video for you all. So I'm gonna go comment back. So I'm going to the Union today to print off some stuff and to get some Starbucks. And I just went to Bloomington Bagel Company. That's where I got my bagel. It was so good. I'm gonna go print and hopefully this printer works. I've not been having luck, but I'm printing off some stuff from my bulletin board. I have to make it like consent theme, so we're focusing on consent and what consent means. It's an important thing to know when you come to a college campus to be educated on. So I'm gonna go print some stuff off and be back in my dorm soon, I hope. I know I have a few incoming freshmen on this channel now, so if you guys are looking for somewhere to study, print, get Starbucks, literally anything, the Union or the IMU is the best place to study on campus. In my opinion, they have so many rooms, so I definitely figure out how to get there from your dorm because I really like that area and it is so nice. Shall we? So the printers here don't work, which makes no sense. So we're gonna try to get our stuff printed by tonight and hang out my bulletin board tonight if I can, but it's just been an SOL day. What a busy day. I literally haven't filmed in a while. I printed everything off and I hung up some stuff, and I'll show you guys a picture of my board, but I'm gonna block a lot of it out because it's like phone numbers and personal information about campus and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys my board. yeah, it was really fun to do. I really like to do it. It just took forever, and now my room is literally a disaster. Like, I don't know, but I think we're gonna go eat at the buffet. But when I get back, I'm gonna clean my room, and you guys can watch me do that because it's a disaster. I went to do laundry, and I've never done laundry here before, and I put it in the dryer and waited like an hour and a half for it to be done. Didn't do it, so now I'm doing 2 loads. They're both drying, so we're gonna go get food, and when I get back, I'll have clothes to fold. It's another thing I have to do. Claire, what did you get?
I got a salad with no chicken because it looked weird. And then I think this might be chicken. I don't know.
That's okay.
Rice and beans.
We'll just pretend. I'm gonna go take this box of dishes to the sink room, clean my dishes, and then go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Here's Miss Bella. She is concussed.
Yeah, I am. So vlog. Hello. We're driving to get Starbucks.
In our golf cart.
In our golf cart
While it's
together.
raining.
It's great. And we're picking up other people's Starbucks, and we're not gonna crash, and we're not gonna go on a main road. Maybe. I don't know. That's tentative. We don't know where we're going.
We do not.
We'll update you later.
My board. So it's an office quote, sexual assault is not a joke, Jim. Then I've got some memes. This is my favorite one. Yeah, I'm all done with my boards now. Hi guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I've had so much fun filming this week. It's been such a freshman-like week, and I just feel like I didn't have a freshman year, so I hope you guys all have that experience at your colleges or wherever you're going. And thank you so much for the new subscribers and the support on my last video. I am literally so grateful for all of you guys. I've been trying to respond to all your guys' comments because I really appreciate that you guys watch my video. So yeah, I want to get this up for you guys, and then I've got some more videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.